different without BJ last year. BJ made a big difference. I mean, he requires all the teams to stay in. You can't go out and help.
KB Boone from Houston, Texas. I'm at the Fedex tournament in Dallas. It's mad competition out here. I mean, I love the competition. Just glad to be out here. Fedex, one of the best tournaments in the world. Great competition. You got ex-NBA player, ex-college player. We're getting it done. Glad to be down here learning from Derrick, learning from Derrick, Stafford, learning from Wright, learning from Wright and Mike.
In my opinion, and this is just my opinion, your tournament is only going to be as good as your officials. And the one thing we're trying to do is train officials to be not good, but great officials. And great officiating starts here at the Fedex tournament.
Shout out to the Dallas Fedex. T-Hoop. You see all this, right? It's a great tournament. I appreciate everybody coming out. It's a great competition. Every team is competitive. Last year was my favorite moment, man, that Final Four. We're trying to take it this year, though. I need that belt.
We're coming to that FedEx tournament every year, man. Think about it. There's all kind of guys from the NBA to, just amateur athletics. I mean, guys from overseas, everywhere.
Hey, I'm NBA referee Derrick Stafford. Just a shout out to the Dallas Fedex. Right.
He gonna be real aggressive. Hey, y'all switch. You go Dave, and let him go next. No, you stay there. Everybody hold that where you at. Stay where we at. Good.
TF, we from New Orleans. We played in here last year. We come to redeem ourselves.
No. You know how much it costs for a block?
Hey, listen, this is Sean Patterson. She's the daughter of Mobile, which run the oldest and greatest tournament. I'm after him. There's nobody better than him. I thank God for him. I thank God for her. And she came along when I asked her to come to help with the FedEx. She was always there. She leads my staff of scorekeepers and table.
Well, it's a big time tournament. I got a couple of homies out there, a couple of NBA guys. So I had to come down here, support them, show my face, just have a good time. Trevor Booker.
Fedex, I've been doing this camp right now for the last three years.
Chris Gallon from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Tyrone Hamilton from Shreveport, Louisiana.
Yes, sir. There you go.
Hey, what's going on, world? This is Godmix.net. I'm here with these two young gentlemen. They're going to go ahead and introduce themselves. Go ahead.
Travis Franklin, Baton Rouge.
Well, the excitement is the crowd, and then they have so many teams, so of course the championship, because it's very competitive.
Well, man, y'all went down to the wire, man. I seen you making key buckets, key stops, man. Hey, what drives you, man? What is it, man? Is it H-Town? What is it, man? What's on the inside, man?
Man, it's all personal and pride, man. I wanna kill every time I'm on the court, man.
What you doing, man?
And they got me going around with the bracket, trying to make sure who play who, when they play them. It's a pretty good game going on.
You know, do what I do.
Okay, okay.
Shout out to Dallas Fedex. Shout out to my mama. She see this, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
They didn't listen. I wanted to put it on this pole right here. Lower.
And you know, we got 2 more games. 2 more games trying to get to that championship. I need that belt.
I've been playing Dallas Fedex for the past 4 years. Most fun I've ever had is when I played against Von Wafer 2 years ago. I think they came in and ended up winning it. Man, it's great basketball.
I here with old guys you played with before, and just seeing if y'all still got that same chemistry you had when you was back in the AAU days.